Hi guys, it's William from All Tech Trail. Today I'm just gonna show you a second mining rig that I've chosen to build for myself and the components that I've chose to buy. Look, I do want the components to last over time. Now we do have the AS Rock 970 Extreme 4 there with a Corsair AX 1200 gold rating professional series. So it is from their last generation, but I did get it at a very good price. Now I'm using the Fujitsu SSD, again 64 gig, nothing too fancy. I couldn't get the 32, so 64 is the smallest one that I could get. Rip Jaws G-Skill 4 gig of RAM. Again, it might be an overkill for this kind of build, but I do still want to make it look a little bit pleasing on the eyes, if you want to put it like that. But anyway, as far as the cards, I'm gonna use the 3290Xs that I bought a few weeks ago, just because I'm planning to water cool these later on, but I'm not sure when I can get or when I do have the time to put these things together. So in the meantime, it goes in the mining rig, but I'll keep you up to date with all the builds that I'm gonna do, but there's gonna be so many builds in between now and the next couple of weeks. So this is it. I'm gonna replace it with 2 or 3 or even 4 280Xs, but who knows? But the 290Xs, it gives out considerably amount of heat and noise, and that's why I don't think I'm gonna put there any time longer, because it is very annoying. It keeps certain parts of my body very toasted indeed, just because this is sitting underneath my desk. Okay, I might have to move it to the garage later on if I choose to still put the 290Xs there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and hopefully I'll see you next time.